Hello everyone, good afternoon all. Am I audible? And what about video? Okay, both are clear. Then fine. So in the last class we discussed about that some of the keys. So we did the candidate key, primary key, alternate key, and super key. So in the super key, this is the question given that R is the relation with A1, A2, and A3. These three attributes, and A1 is the candidate key, right? This bar denotes the candidate key. So A1 is the candidate key. Then find the number of super key. So try to solve this question. How many super key will be there? Uh, So all are saying it is 4. Let us see how it is 4. If A1 is a super key, sorry, candidate key, then we can say this is minimal super key, right? This is what a minimal super key. And with A1, I can take more combination, then also it become super key. So I will take A1 and A2. Now it is also super key. Next A1, A3. This is also a super key. And what about next one? A1, A2, A3. This is also a super key. Means how many super keys? 4 number of super keys are there. So number of super keys are 4. Okay. By extending this question, next it is given that R is the relation with A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN. These many attributes are there inside relation, and A1 is the candidate key. Then find the number of super key. Find number of super key. Yes. Now tell me about this one. What should be the result? Okay, for earlier question, Sandeep, it is right. Okay, Mukesh saying it is n plus 1. Mukesh, I think it is not the correct answer. And Sandeep is saying it is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. Okay. Sandeep, it is 2 power n then minus 1 or 2 power n minus 1? Oh, Sandeep, you message me, your voice is not clear. Okay, fine. I think, okay, it is 2 power n minus 1. Okay, Ruby is saying it is 2 की power n then minus 1. So out of you, both of you, one answer is correct. Let us see what is the correct one. Hmm. So in the last question, what we have seen that number of super key are 4. How this super key came? If this is what candidate key, we have one choice that we'll have to take this one. This is mandatory. And how many remaining attributes are there? Remaining attributes are, it is n minus 1. Total are n, then remaining are n minus 1. N minus 1 means it is, in this example it is 2. In this example it is 2, and each having two choices that we can take this one or left this one, take this one or left this one. It means it is 2 power n minus 1 cases, which is equal to 2 power n means 2 power 2 minus sorry, it is 2 power 2 minus 1. n minus 1 का मतलब क्या गया, सॉरी ये 3 है ना, हाँ, इट इज 2 पावर 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2 power 2 which is equal to 4. तो ये करके क्या आ गया था, 4 आ गया था लास्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में. सो सेम थिंग विल हैपन हियर आल्सो, that a1 is the candidate key. If a1 is the candidate key, it is a must, we'll have to take this one, and it is having only one choice that we'll have to take this one. So after this one, how many attributes are remaining? So remaining attributes are n minus 1, and each one having 2 choice. We can take this one, left this one, take this one, left this one, take this one, left this, and so on, right? So each one having 2 choice. So finally what we can say? It is a 2 power n minus 1 cases. So finally what I can say? This one is a 1 multiplied by this one, it is 2 power n minus 1. Finally it is 2 power n minus 1 is the number of super keys. Got it or not? Okay, I will repeat. मैंने कहा कि ये अगर कैंडिडेट की है तो कैंडिडेट की तो मेरे को लेनी ही पड़ेगी, बिकॉज दैट इज द मिनिमल सुपर की. और कैंडिडेट की के साथ क्या कर सकता हूँ, और कॉम्बिनेशन बना सकता हूँ, है ना. सो इस वाले के लिए मेरे पास कितनी चॉइस है, एक ही चॉइस है. आई विल हैव टू टेक दैट वन. सो आई हैव ओनली वन चॉइस. एंड हाउ मेनी रिमेनिंग एट्रीब्यूट्स, टोटल आर एन, और जिसमें से एक क्या है, कैंडिडेट की है. तो रिमेनिंग एट्रीब्यूट कितने हो गए, इट इज एन माइनस वन, है ना. एन माइनस वन एट्रीब्यूट है, हर एक की क्या क्या है, दो दो चॉइस है कि आई कैन टेक दिस वन और लेफ्ट दिस वन, टेक दिस वन और लेफ्ट दिस वन, ले भी सकते हैं उसको, छोड़ भी सकते हैं, एंड सो ऑन. सो कितने केसेस बन जाएंगे ऐसे ऐसे. तो ये वाले सारे केसेस कितने बन जाएंगे, इट इज 2 पावर n माइनस वन. 2 क्यों आया, बिकॉज दो ही चॉइस थी मेरे पास. तीन चॉइस होती तो बेस क्या बन जाता, 3 बन जाता इसका. लेकिन यहाँ पे मेरे पास दो ही चॉइस है, आई कैन टेक दिस वन और लेफ्ट दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये 2 पावर n माइनस 1. सो टोटल केसेस की बात करें तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 पावर n माइनस 1, दीज आर द टोटल केसेस. सो इट इज 1 multiplied by 2 power n minus 1, which is equal to 2 power n minus 1. These are the total cases, or we can say these are the total number of super keys. Fine. Okay, then okay. Okay, then we'll see the next question. Let me rub this one. So in the next question, it is given that if it is a1 a2 up to an, relation with a1 a2 a3 and so on up to an, these many attributes, and it is saying that a1 and a2, these are two candidate keys. Let me write down. Candidate keys are, it is a1 and a2, these are the candidate key. Then find the number of super key, then find number of super key. Yes, try to solve this question. Someone is saying 4 की power n minus 2, 2 power n minus 2, 2 power n minus 2. ओके, इस तरह के रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. चलो इससे पहले एक बार ये वाला सॉल्व करके बताना. R is relation with A1, A2, A3 and A4. These are the four attributes. Out of that, these two are the candidate keys. A1 and A2, these two are candidate key. Then find the number of super key. Then find number of super key. Try for this one. Let me write down. Candidate keys are same. These are the candidate keys. Ruby saying 4, Anu is 8. Sandeep also saying 4. 8, this 4 may be wrong answer. 4 may be wrong answer. Or maybe right answer. देखना पड़ेगा. A1 is the different candidate key, A2 is the different candidate key. So you will make the combination of A1, you will make the combination of A2, and some of the combinations that will repeat because there will be A1, A2, both the combination. So you think about that one. 12, 12 maybe. Okay, let me solve. So two candidate keys are given. So let me take this candidate key A1 firstly. If it is A1, it is a super key. Okay, then with A1 we can take A2 also. Yes, with A1 it can be A3. With A1 it can be A4 also. Okay, then with A1 I can take A2, A3, A1, A2, A4, then A1, A3, A4, and after that I can take A1, A2, A3, A4. These combinations. Okay. And if I take A2 as a candidate key, so A2 is a super key, then A2 and A1, this can be the super key, A2, then A3, A2, then A4, okay, then A2, A1, A3, A2, A1, A4, A2, A3, A4, and A1, or let me say it is A2, A1, A3, A4. These are the combinations. So out of these combinations, some of the combinations are repeating, and order is what it is A2 then A1. It doesn't matter. It is A1 A2 or it is A2 A1. Order doesn't matter. But we cannot take two times this combination. So we'll have to take only one time. So I will not take this one. Next, next A1 A3. A1 A3 is one time. Then A1 A2 and A3. A1 A1 A2 A3 two time repeating. So I will not take this one. After that A1 A2 A3 हो गया, A1 A2 A4, A1 A2 A4. This is also repeating. I will not take this one. And after that A1 A2 A3 A4, A1 A2 A3 A4. I will not take this one also. And remaining is not repeating. Yes, remaining is not repeating. So finally what we can say, total candidate key, super keys are, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So total candidate keys are 12. Okay, so Ruby, it is clear, right, it is 12. So you got it or not? Okay, if you got this one, then try for this question, this one. On the behalf of this question, you can solve this one also. You try for this one. Ekta is saying it is n into n minus 1. N into n minus 1. I think it is not correct. Okay, मैं ही करा दूं, मैं करा देता हूँ. Okay, so before generalizing this one, let me take this example. This is counter example. So what I can say, here two candidate keys are given. If two candidate keys are given, I will have to take two set. ठीक है, so we can consider A and B two set, sorry, A1 and A2. Okay, now tell me how many combinations for this one A1 will be there. For A1, how many combinations will be there? If I am taking A1 as a candidate key, then there is a one choice that I will have to take this one. How many remaining attributes are there? It is n minus 1, right? N minus 1 means it is 4 minus 1. Okay, and each having two choice. We can take this one, left this one, take this one, left this one. So we can say it is 2 power 4 minus 1. So finally total combinations are 1 multiplied by 2 power 4 minus 1. So it is 2 power 4 minus 1. Okay, then what about this one? How many cases will be regarding this one? If I am taking A2 as a candidate key, A2 as a candidate key, then how many attributes are remaining? It is a 1, 2, 3, means total are n, or total are 4, then it is 4 minus 1, again 4 minus 1, and each one having two choices. I can take this one, left this one, take this one, left this one. So it is 2 power 4 minus 1, again 2 power 4 minus 1, right? So once I have taken A1 and the second time I am taking this one A2, then this area is repeating 2 times, right? तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये इंटरसेक्शन कॉमन पार्ट है उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो कॉमन एरिया कितना आ रहा है वो देखना पड़ेगा. कॉमन एरिया का मतलब वो वाले कॉम्बिनेशंस देख रहे हैं जिसमें A1 A2 आएगा. हमने वही सब क्या किए हैं, एक एक माइनस किए हैं ना. देखो ये वाले जिसमें भी A1 A2 आएगा वो सारे के सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस क्या होंगे, रिपीट हो रहे हैं. ये तो कितने कॉम्बिनेशंस बन जाएंगे ये वाले, तो ये वाले कॉम्बिनेशंस बन जाएंगे जिसमें A1 A2 दोनों कैंडिडेट की जाएंगी इकट्ठा, है ना. सो आई कैन से A1 A2 and how many remaining attributes are there? Again it is n minus 2. N is what? 4. 4 minus 2. So here it is 4 minus 2. ठीक है ना. रिमेनिंग केसेस कितने बच गए, 4 minus 2. If it is 4 minus 2, then each one having two choices. We can take this one, left this one, take this one, left this one. So we can say it is 2 power 4 minus 2 cases. So here also it is 2 power 4 minus 2 cases. So finally if we add all these, yes, हाँ, कॉमन मैंने बोला कि जिसमें भी A1 और A2 दोनों कैंडिडेट्स की आएंगी ना, वो वाला क्या है, कॉमन पार्ट रहेगा, है ना. कॉमन पार्ट का मतलब यही हो गया ना कि A1 भी आएगा उसमें और A2 भी आएगा, है ना. तो किस किस कॉम्बिनेशन में A1 A2 आ रहा है? ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन, ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन था जिसमें A1 A2 आ रहा था, ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन, ये वाला कॉम्बिनेशन, इन सभी में क्या आ रहा था? A1 A2 कॉमन आ रहा था, ठीक है ना? सो टोटल कितने केसेस थे? 4 केसेस थे ना? वो कैसे आए हैं? जिसमें A1 A2 कॉमन आ रहा था ना, वो वाला अपने को अलग से कर दिया है ना, उसकी एक ही चॉइस है कि भी हमने वो ले लिया। और रिमेनिंग केसेस कितने बच गए? रिमेनिंग एट्रीब्यूट्स आर total are 4, so out of that 2 we have taken as a common, ठीक है? तो रिमेनिंग कितने बच गए? 4 minus 2, और हर एक के पास दो दो चॉइस है, we can take this one, left this one। कैसे? जैसे कि A1 A2 है, इसके साथ A3 ले सकता हूं या A3 को रहने दूंगा, इसकी जगह मैं A4 ले लूंगा, है ना? और A4 की जगह क्या कर सकता हूं? A3 ले सकता हूं। और इस केस में क्या कर दिया मैंने? दोनों को ही छोड़ दिया, A1 और A2 ले लिया, है ना? तो A3 को भी छोड़ दिया, A4 को भी छोड़ दिया। तो हर एक के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग क्या क्या मिल रही है? दो दो चॉइस मिल रही है मेरे को। तो दो दो चॉइस मिल रही है, तो बेस क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 2। सो इट इज 2 पावर 4 माइनस 2 केसेस। सो इट इज 2 पावर 4 माइनस 2 केसेस, ठीक है? तो ये टोटल केसेस हो गए हमारे पास 2 पावर 4 माइनस 2। फाइनली अगर इसको क्या किया जाए? ऐड किया जाए तो क्या बन जाएगा? एक्चुअल में A1 यूनियन A2 करना पड़ेगा ना, A1 यूनियन A2। फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा? N ऑफ A1 यूनियन A2 क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज N ऑफ और नंबर ऑफ A1 प्लस number of A2 minus this common area, because it is repeating 2 times, so we'll have to take only 1 time. So minus n into A1 intersection A2, right? So put these values in this formula. So for A1 how many cases are there? It is 2 power 4 minus 1, means it is 2 power 3. What about next one? For this one it is 2 power 4 minus 1, again it is 2 power 3. And what about minus? It is n into intersection part is this one, so this one is 2 power 2 cases, okay? If we add these two and subtract this one, so it is 2 power 3 means 8, 8 plus 8 minus 4, so it is 16 minus 4, 12. So total number of super keys are 12. Yes, got it or not? Okay, what about other? Okay, got it, ठीक है। तो अभी जर्नलाइज देखते हैं इसको कि ये वाला क्या बनेगा केस। Okay, so again we'll understand by this Venn diagram. So for the cases for A1, यहाँ पे भी दो कैंडिडेट की है ना मेरे पास, A1 and A2. For the A1 how many cases will be there? For A1 we can say A1 will have to take this one, only one choice, remaining attributes are n minus 1, right? Remaining attributes are n minus 1 and each one having two choice, we can take this one, left this one, take this one, left this one and so on, ठीक है? तो हर एक के पास क्या क्या है? दो दो चॉइसेस हैं। दो दो चॉइसेस का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? बेस यहाँ पे इसका 2 हो जाएगा। तो कितने केसेस बन जाएंगे? इट इज 2 पावर n माइनस 1 और मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस वन, इसके पास एक ही चॉइस है, ठीक है? सो फाइनली क्या आ गया मेरे पास? इट इज 2 पावर n माइनस 1 केसेस, 2 power n minus 1. Okay, what about A2? For A2 again, what will happen? I will take A2 as a candidate key. So one choice I will have to take this one. After this one, how many attributes are remaining? A1, A3 and so on. These are n minus 1 attributes. ठीक है, A3 up to AN and this one. So total attributes are remaining, it is n minus 1. और हर एक के पास अगेन दो दो चॉइस. So दो दो चॉइस का मतलब क्या हो गया, I'll have to take base as a 2, so it is 2 power n minus 1. Again 2 power n minus 1 cases for A2, so it is 2 power n minus 1. And what about the common area? So in the common area, what will happen, जब भी क्या आएगा A1 A2 दोनों कैंडिडेट की आएंगी, वो वाला कॉम्बिनेशन क्या रहेगा, कॉमन पार्ट रहेगा. इसका मतलब रिमेनिंग एट्रीब्यूट यहाँ पे कितने बच गए मेरे पास, ये टोटल n थे, उसमें से दो एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या हो गए, माइनस कर देंगे. सो रिमेनिंग एट्रीब्यूट्स आर, इट इज n minus 2 and each one having two choices, so it is 2 power n minus 2 cases. So this one is what, 2 power n minus 2 cases. So finally what we can say, finally we can say A1 union A2, A1 union A2 means this one plus this one minus this one. So it is 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 2 power n minus 2. Finally this is the result. Yes, got it or not? Yes, clear or not? ओके, चॉइस का मतलब ये है कि मान लीजिए कि ये वाला एग्जांपल अगर देखें तो मेरे पास से A1 के कितने केसेस बने थे, इट इज 2 पावर 4 माइनस 1 केसेस बने थे, है ना. सो A1 के पास A2 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग मेरे पास दो चॉइस हैं, आई कैन टेक दिस वन और लेफ्ट दिस वन. सो इस वाले केस में तो मैंने क्या कर लिया, A2 को ले लिया है, और इस वाले केस में A2 को नहीं लिया. तो मेरे पास क्या थी, दो चॉइस थी. नेक्स्ट में A3 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग भी मेरे पास क्या होंगी, दो चॉइस रहेंगी. A3 को मैं ले भी सकता हूं और A3 को इस वाले में मैंने लेफ्ट कर दिया. ठीक है, तो मेरे पास हर एक बार क्या क्या चॉइस आ रही है, दो दो चॉइस आ रही है. ठीक है, तो चॉइस का केस ये वाला रहेगा. हर एक केस में ऐसा ही हो रहा है कि मैं उसको ले भी सकता हूँ उस एट्रीब्यूट को और छोड़ भी सकता हूँ. गॉट इट? Yes, Poonam, are you saying something? या क्वेश्चन कैसे अराइज होगा वही देखते हैं. ओके, व्हाट टाइप क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर. अभी हमने देखा कि चार एट्रीब्यूट्स के साथ तो हमने क्या कर लिया, कॉम्बिनेशन बना के देख लिए, है ना, और सॉल्व कर दिया. अगर आपको बोलता है ये वाला क्वेश्चन दैट R1 is a attribute, sorry, R1 is a relation with A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and A8, A8, okay, sorry, A7, A8. Huh. These many attributes are there and it is saying A1 and A2, these two are the candidate key, A1, A2 These two are candidate key. Then find the number of super key. Okay, now solve this one. अगर ये वाला तरीका आपको नहीं पता होता तो कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? Number of super key candidate keys are given as A1, A2. Yes, try for this one. Find the number of super key. If A1 and A2, these are the candidate keys given. And if you will